What's up, Turtle Game? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be opening up some mini brands. I have 3 today. I have a Disney one that I got for Christmas. Also, I finally have a fashion one. So yeah, I'm excited because I don't have this one. I've never gotten this one, but I got it for Christmas. And this, I have a toy one also because it was on sale at Target for like $3, so I had to buy it. Anyways, let me unwrap them first because they take me a very long time to unwrap. I swear, they just do not want you to open these. They make it so difficult to open.
So I'm gonna break my nails. Hello. Yes. I haven't even gotten the first layer. I'm finally getting out. Finally done with the first layer. Now there's a second layer to open it. Oh, that was nice.
So I want to start off with the fashion one. So we have a little what you can get thing, little paper, and it comes with 2 bags. So, and it says MF. I was like, what the heck is MF? I've never heard of that, but mini fashion. Duh. What else? Oh, got a sticker. Oh, these are cute. I got some sunglasses. Oh, this is cute. I got a little a bear keychain. Got an influencer listing. This is so cute. So yeah, that was one of them. Right now, on to the second bag. Hopefully I don't get the same thing. Ooh, I got a little bag. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. It's got a little zipper to it. You can actually open it. It's got the little paper in it. Wow. Can you like take this off? No. Anything in there? You trying to see if there's money in here? But yeah, nothing. It's so cool though. You can put like something inside. Like a little penny or something. I don't know. You can close it back up too. Kind of, I don't know. Anything else in here? No. So that was, yeah, that was it for this one. So I got the bag, the hat, the mini fashion hat, the little keychain, and the sunglasses, and a sticker. of a purse. Cool. On to the Disney one. I love doing that. First one. Ooh, it's a Black Panther. So cute. Next, the Stormtrooper. Love it. I've never actually watched Star Wars or Star Trek, but it's still cool. What is this? It's a little spaceship thing from Toy Story. It's cute. I swear I can't see like nothing. Next, oh, I got Tiana. Nice. Also, Zero, if you want to sponsor me, you know, send me a little package, a PR package. Ooh, I got Tinkerbell too. These are so cute. And that was it for the Disney one. And then last but not least, I just saw that there's someone like out there with their dogs, and that is creepy. I should have probably closed the blinds, but oh well. So for the toy one, I got a little pet shop thing. I don't know what is it supposed to be. Like, I don't know what this is, but it's kind of cute. Kind of looks like a marciano kind of thing. I don't know. Next, I got a dance mat piano. That's cool. Nice. Next, I got the Hello Kitty. So cute. I know Yanni got, my cousin got the gold one. So cool. I love that. Oh my gosh. Now what is this? Ooh, I got some money. Got some. What is this? Some 50s. Whole bunch of 50s. Ooh. It's so funny. Wow. About to be, you know, throwing some money around. It's so funny. And then I also got some Transformers. Cool. And then the little paper. And oh, I have one more. What is this? Oh, it's one of those like little secret notebooks that have like the password thing, like you say your password into it, and like only you can open it, you know, from VTech. It's cool. Yeah. And I guess that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next video. Bye. Also, look at this mess. Like, oh my gosh. So much. Here's everything that I got all together. The money, little keychain. I like that you can actually put this on like a necklace or like a bracelet or something, and use it actually as like a little, whatever it is. The purse. I had to lay them down because they were not standing up. But yeah, so cute. I love this.